Oh yeah, I'll go ahead and turn that in for a thumbnail right there. You know. Okay. This is what we have to do uh, to get you up to date. I put the seals in there. Okay. And it goes. It's a long one. And this right here, it has that O-ring right there. So the O-ring is we have to get that in there. I go over and cut this new one off a little bit right there so it'll get up in that groove right there. Kelly 600 front end loader mounted onto a Ford 8N tractor. Put a seal in there. Well, just to tip the viewers to the fact that it's been said you can judge the harshness of the weather wintertime as to how high the squirrels build nests in trees. So judging from that nest yonder and coming on around, right there's two more in that tree and one on yon tree behind that other tree, and four more ways on down, very high in the tree. Make a note, start date today. Well, no, gave up. Been running, well, some time back now. Seemed like it took a long time for the compressor to build up enough air. It's gradually wound down. So The air compressor done gave up. What number 110, plugged it in the wall up there. You can see the numbers on it there. It's been a good one. Yeah, I bought it new at the store. I get the paperwork out, see what day I bought that, how much I paid for that thing. Man. But bottom line is I need the thing or I wouldn't be over here such a morning. It being, I don't think I'm not going to work on the unit. It served me well. I have no complaints at all. So, a new one, that's going to be a strain on the budget. Wouldn't expect my wire compressor to go bad. Here in Middle Tennessee.